Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video on my channel to learn up. In this video, I will show you how you can easily make 15 plus storytelling video the combined power of ChatGPT and Pictory. So you can start your own Faceless YouTube channel and earn more than $5,000 per month by making serious videos daily. If you are new to my channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the notification bell. In this channel I upload AI-related videos daily, so you don't miss any video. So let's dive in and start creating. First of all, we need an engaging story. For generating a story, we will use our most trustworthy ChatGPT. Let's do it. But there is a problem. If we just enter the prompt as, "Write a scary story," ChatGPT will generate an ordinary and simple story, which is not unique and engaging. To generate a unique and engaging story, we will use a prompt assistant named the AIPRM. As you can observe, I'm utilizing an add-on known as AIPRM ChatGPT prompts. The query now arises: how can you seamlessly incorporate this add-on with your ChatGPT interactions? To find this extension, use your search engine, search by typing AIPRM for ChatGPT in the search bar. Once the results appear, select the first link and install the accompanying browser extension. Next, register for a new account with just a few simple clicks. Now you will see a huge number of prompt templates in the public section. For finding short story generator template, click here and type in short story generator. It is a very capable prompt template, which allows you to generate a short story based on your description. You have to add just a few keywords. I'm inputting keywords that include a murder mystery, unsettling atmosphere, elements of horror, a thorough police investigation, and a story conclusion featuring a major twist. Please provide additional keywords to further enhance the story's richness and distinctiveness. Alright, the ChatGPT has now crafted a captivating and one-of-a-kind narrative. Our narrative is prepared, but the challenge lies in transforming it into a video. We require suitable images and footage to bring our script to life. Ensuring the visuals harmonize with the storyline is pivotal, as any disparity could potentially detract from our audience's overall engagement. Nonetheless, producing fitting visuals for each scene can prove to be a time-intensive and imaginative endeavor. Given our inclination towards efficiency, we'll once again employ Chatbot GPT to formulate image concepts and craft the ideal script for our YouTube video. I'm simply issuing a directive, aiming to create a narrative video based on this story, complete with a voiceover and readily available stock images. ChatGPT performed exceptionally well on our project. It has effectively transformed our narrative into an impeccable script for a YouTube video, complete with suggested images or footage for each scene. Great! We've wrapped up the development of our video script and image concept. Our next step involves creating the video using the remarkable AI-powered text-to-video tool, Pictory AI. If you haven't a Pictory account, sign up for a free trial account now. After login, click on the Script to Video button. This is our script editor. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first voiceover section and paste it into the Pictory script editor. Do the same process again and copy-paste all the voiceover sections of ChatGPT to Pictory. After copying all the scripts, click on the Process button here. Now select one pre-built template form here. After that, select aspect ratio. For YouTube videos, always select 69. Presently, Pictory AI is set to craft visuals and storyboards on our behalf, albeit requiring a certain amount of time to do so. Let's skip ahead to the video segment. Okay. This is our storyboard. Pictory AI generates visuals for our story. But it generates footage from line-by-line elements which may not be constant. Therefore, we are going to update the visuals. To identify the ideal footage, we'll adhere to ChatGPT's recommendations. Returning to ChatGPT, and copy the opening shot footage suggestion. Let's go back to Pictory. Now click on Visuals. Click on the search bar, paste it, and click Enter. Then select the footage which is perfect for your story. Then go to the storyboard again and change the second footage according to your story. Do it again and again with all of your scenes. You will get over 2 million stock footage in Pictory. Pictory AI is integrated with Storyblocks, so all kinds of footage are available here. After complete this process, click on the audio button and select your background music. My video sense is horror type, so I want to select horror and click Apply. Now select on the background music for your video as you wish. Next, voiceover. There are many audio models in different languages. You can select one of this.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increased.
Welcome to Pictory.
And if you want to upload any of your audio files, then click My Audio File and upload your audio file. OK. Our video making process is done. Now it's time to download. For the download, click Download and click Video. Pictory AI processing your video for download. Let's forward this video.
In the secluded town of Ravenbrook, a sense of unease gripped the air, as if the very shadows held secrets of their own. Whispers echoed through the narrow streets, tales of curses and apparitions that haunted their dreams. Then, a tragedy struck. Evelyn Hartley, a woman of integrity, met her demise in the most unsettling manner. Detective Adrian Monroe took on the case, determined to pierce the veil of darkness shrouding Ravenbrook. But the more he unearthed, the more he realized that this murder was no ordinary crime. It was a descent into horror and history intertwined. As days turned to nights, Adrian's skepticism wavered in the face of unexplainable occurrences. He delved deeper into Ravenbrook's dark past, where tales of witch trials and ancient rituals seemed to merge with reality. A journal hidden in the depths of time revealed Evelyn's connection to a curse that had plagued the town for centuries. The elders, driven by fear, believed that Evelyn's death would break the curse's hold on Ravenbrook. But the twist of fate came when the very shadows they sought to control turned against them. In the blink of an eye, they were gone, leaving behind only an eerie silence. The curse was shattered, and as the sun rose, a sense of relief mixed with the weight of history hung in the air. The tale of Ravenbrook served as a reminder that darkness can thrive not only in the supernatural, but also within the hearts of the fearful. The unsettling atmosphere lifted, but scars of the past remained, a reminder that the line between horror and reality is fragile. As we remember the shadows of deceit that once gripped Ravenbrook, may we also remember that truth can be the light that banishes the darkness.
Finally, it's time to share your AI-assisted masterpiece with the world. Upload your video to YouTube as you normally would. Remember, while AI can help speed up production, engagement with your viewers and community building are still vital aspects of being a successful YouTuber. So, go ahead and give it a try. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more content creation tips. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and remember, AI is your new content creation ally. Take care, and see you in the next video.